You might come across this in your fourth comment. You might come across this. Here's exactly how to crack it. How many moles of HCl will be required to react with potassium heptaoxo dichromate 6 to produce 3 moles of chlorine? The first thing I did is to write out the chemical equation and I have to balance it. So secondly, I balanced it. You have 2 moles of potassium chlorate KClO3 reacting with 14 moles of HCl, which react with 2 moles of potassium chloride, and also which gives us 2 moles of potassium chloride and 2 moles of chromium chloride and 7 molecules of water, and lastly 3 molecules of chlorine gas. The next thing to do, we can just pick our answer from here and say our answer is actually 14 moles of HCl, because the question says how many moles of HCl will be required to react. The answer is 14 moles of HCl. But would you like to also, I would like to share with us with Sam's relation. Sam's relation is actually a proportion we could use to solve this, given times what we want over what is known from given. So what was given from our equation? We're given 3 moles of chlorine. Here is it. 3 moles of chlorine from our equation times what do we actually want? We want HCl, and from our balanced equation the HCl here is 14 mole, so we say times 14 over what do we know from what is given. From what is given, from our balanced chemical equation, we have, because this is mole uh, relation, we have 3 moles of chlorine, so we are just going to write it here. So next, this 3 would cancels this 3 and we will arrive at just 14. So your answer will still be 14 mole of HCl. Whichever way you choose to solve it. If you might just pick one that once you are done balancing the chemical equation, you can just pick this right here, which is actually your answer, or you can choose to go the way of Sam's relation. And Sam's relation making use of giving times what is wanted over what we know from what is given, and you still arrive here at 14 moles of HCl. Would you like other questions for practice? Click on the link in the description box. You win. Just believe.